Welcome back. We got another video. It's been a while. I know. But today we're working on a Racing Lawn Mower that's over here. Hasn't been running in about 3 months. I believe we just got to fix the carburetor. But yeah, we're gonna get running. Take her out for a rip. Do some wheelies. Probably wreck it, maybe. I think I put that in the video. And we're also gonna drift it a lot. But yeah, let's get into it. Oh, you can bleach. Better watch the video all the way through. You better. I'm watching you. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, first thing we're going to do on this lawnmower is clean out the carburetor, because I believe that's why it stopped running. Simple as that. Let's get to it. Alright, so to get the carburetor off, we got two 10mm sockets right here. Bolts, nuts, whatever you want to call them. And this is actually a Predator motor from Harbor Freight. It's a stock one without the governor, I believe. Yeah, you can buy them for like 120 bucks. Work great. Has a straight axle on the back. This brakes. But yeah, I'll get this carburetor off, and we are going to look at it and see if it's dirty or not. Here we go. We got the carb off. That's what it looks like. Pretty much a normal carb. This holds the air filter on there, and then two nuts. Those went there. Kind of held this to this. And then yeah, what we're going to first do is start by taking this 10mm off, cleaning the floats in here, cleaning then the filter in this one, taking that 10mm off, and then cleaning the jets out on the inside. Usually these are pretty simple, but we'll see once we get in there, because sometimes they can be gone. So, got the float off, little needle that sits in there. These usually aren't gummed up. What actually gums up in the carburetor, a little hole in here, and you can never get the little jet in here out of the Phillips. So you're supposed to be able to put this in there and unscrew a little jet. You can never get them out. They always just get stuck in there. But usually that hole in there gets clogged. Or either this one where the gas comes in, but it's usually this hole right here. So I'm going to take a piece of wire and try and, poke that hole, make sure there's nothing in there, blow it out, put it all back together. But I'm going to actually try and start the motor on just gasoline right now, and we're going to see if it fires up. This may look like tire shine, but it's not. It's gasoline in a bottle. It's homemade starter fluid, okay? Here we go. On is off and off is on. Oh! No. That's not supposed to happen. Let's try that again. That means we got spark though. That means we're doing something. You hear that? She's gonna run. She's gonna run. Yeah, she's gonna run. That's a good sign. That means it's that thing right there. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. I'm gonna put it back on there, and I'm gonna bring it all back. Here's what I got to show you. There's a really small hole in there, and now you can't see it. Just believe me, man. But you take a piece of wire, just a regular piece of wire, and you cut off all the strands except for one. Now this, luckily, we got like a really thick wire in here, so it's like strong and it doesn't bend as easy. But you take this, go in here and you go into that hole and you just twist it. You twist it, you just make sure that hole is open. That way it's not clogged in here, gas is getting up in there, and then you can take it and you do it to every single one of the other ones in here. And there's like holes on the side like this one right here, and you can poke up in there, make sure that's open, make sure this other side's open. But yeah, that's all you want to do. You want to go around through all these. Then when you're done with it, if you have an air compressor, just blow out all the holes. Simple as that. Last thing before we get this running, we can drive it. I have this rubber coupler and then this little intake pipe with a uni air filter. Yes, it's old. It's been like outside for a year. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, put this on here, just like it kind of was. It says 2 screw holes in here. I made this. It also helps protect back your calf so it doesn't get cut on this sharp piece of metal. This goes in here. And then once it's in there, it'll line up with that and it'll sit like that. So it's actually pretty cool looking, and a lot of people have told me they like it. But yeah, we're gonna get this fitted on here. So it's the next day, and after fiddling with it forever, I found out this garbage is bad. I don't know why I can't get it clean enough. So I put one on there from a running motor, and now she runs flawlessly. So maybe later I'll figure this out, but right now we're gonna go ride it and see how she does after 3 months of sitting.